Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Mazda CX-5 side mirrors. First, locate the mirror control switch, which is typically found on your driver's side door panel. This control usually features a selector to choose between the left or right mirror. Once you have made your selection, use the directional pad to precisely move the mirror glass up, down, left, or right, ensuring you have a clear view before driving. For the driver's side mirror, begin by leaning your head slightly towards the driver's side window. Now, adjust the mirror outward until you can just barely see the rear quarter panel of your Mazda CX-5. This specific adjustment helps to significantly minimize the blind spot on the left side of your vehicle, providing a much wider field of vision for safer lane changes and maneuvers. Next, for the passenger's side mirror, lean your head towards the center of the vehicle, almost over the console. Then, adjust this mirror outward until you can just barely see the rear quarter panel of your Mazda CX-5. This technique is crucial for effectively eliminating the blind spot on the right side, giving you a comprehensive view of traffic approaching from behind. Many Mazda CX-5 models also come equipped with convenient power-folding side mirrors. You can typically activate this feature using a dedicated button near the mirror controls, which is great for navigating narrow parking spots or car washes. Always remember to regularly check your mirror adjustments to ensure they remain in their optimal positions for maximum safety and visibility on every journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.